Hello, everyone. I'm Ramon, technical writer on the Office platform team. The Outlook add-in space is undergoing exciting transformations that we want to share with you today. To showcase how these developments are inspiring change in how add-ins deliver solutions, I'm joined today by Brandon Smith, product manager from 𝗦𝗲𝗶𝗀𝗀, and Karina Kornacka, principal product marketing manager from Adobe. We can't wait to show you what we have in store, so let's jump right in. There are many things happening in the Outlook add-in space, but today we'll focus on 1. How even more scenarios are now supported for web add-ins in new Outlook for Windows. 2. How you can create Teams apps with Outlook add-ins to make your solution available across various Microsoft 365 products. 3. How Teams apps will be the entry point for future solutions, including Copilot integrations. And finally, how you can simplify authentication in add-ins through Nested App Authentication, or NAA. To start, we're excited to announce that we're supporting even more scenarios in the new Outlook for Windows client. The new Outlook for Windows client unifies the Windows and web code bases to create a more consistent Outlook experience for users and developers. It's only in preview, but we're already seeing incredible adoption from the community. At Build last year, we shared that the most significant change for Outlook add-in developers is that COM and VSTO add-ins aren't supported in new Outlook for Windows. To provide a more reliable and stable add-in experience, we announced that Outlook web add-ins are supported in the new client. Creating Outlook web add-ins not only makes your solution compatible with new Outlook for Windows, it also makes it available to users on other platforms, such as Outlook on Mac, on mobile devices, and on the web. While you must migrate your COM and VSTO add-ins to web add-ins, we do recognize that there is a gap on features and scenarios supported by the two. The team has been focusing on closing this gap to provide a more seamless experience when you transition to web add-in solutions. We're happy to announce that we've added more features to support scenarios that represent more than 95% of the usage of Outlook COM add-ins. These scenarios include spam email reporting and data loss prevention. And the great news is that you can start implementing these features in your production add-ins today. Introducing Mailbox Requirement Set 1.14, now available in both Classic and new Outlook for Windows and Outlook on the web. It includes highly requested features from the community, such as integrated spam reporting, dialog button customization, and send mode override options for add-ins using smart alerts, additional message members to improve the performance of your data loss prevention add-in, additional properties to retrieve from multiple selected messages, and APIs to discard drafts, tag your appointments with sensitivity levels, and coordinate the color scheme of your add-ins with the current Office theme. We'll talk more about each feature in the succeeding slides. Our flagship feature for this release is unquestionably the new integrated spam reporting feature. And who better to describe this new functionality than a valued partner we've been working very closely with? Get excited as Brandon Smith, product manager from 𝗦𝗲𝗶𝗀𝗀, shares how they're leveraging this feature to provide an enhanced security awareness solution. Brandon, over to you.
Thank you, Sam, for the introduction. Hello, everyone. I'm Brandon Smith, product manager for 𝗦𝗲𝗶𝗀𝗀, the world's largest platform dedicated to security awareness training and simulated phishing. It's a pleasure to be here at Microsoft Build, a hub of innovation and collaboration. It's these two core principles, innovation and collaboration, that have brought us together with Microsoft to achieve something truly valuable for our mutual customers. Our team at 𝗦𝗲𝗶𝗀𝗀 has been working alongside Microsoft for several years, collaborating on enriching the web add-in platform to improve the experience of the new spam reporting add-in, so our product's improved and ready to shine in the new Outlook. This deep partnership has been instrumental, combining 𝗦𝗲𝗶𝗀𝗀's expertise in security awareness with Microsoft's unparalleled excellence in software solutions. Our focus is always on the end user. We understand the importance of time, accessibility, and ongoing support. This new spam reporting add-in for Outlook embodies all three, providing a streamlined, unmistakable, and easy-to-use tool right within Outlook, especially the new Outlook, which is swiftly becoming the go-to for many users. Now, let me show you just how seamless this experience is with a quick demonstration. You'll see here, I have my Outlook inbox open. Let's imagine I've just received an email that seems a bit suspicious, something I suspect is a phishing attempt. Notice how, immediately, the spam reporting button is conveniently located in the ribbon right there at the top, always within reach, no matter where you are in your inbox. Now, with just a simple click, I can report this message. I can even add a comment, giving the security team a bit more information. The message will be sent to the team for further inspection. I can even include a disposition if I want. With the docs provided by Microsoft, this was an easy upgrade to make. I mean, you can see here, this is the entire manifest. You can see where the pop-up is customized and among other easy-to-make modifications to the core reporting button. So what does this mean for you, our customers? It means saving time. No more navigating through multiple menus or forwarding emails to a generic security address. It means effortless reporting in the exact location you need it, enhancing adoption and compliance. And with our continuing support for the new Outlook interface, users can count on a consistent experience, no matter which version of Outlook they're using. And it'll be displayed right there, front and center. Looking ahead, 𝗦𝗲𝗀 and Microsoft are committed to refining and expanding this add-in. Expect smarter analytics, deeper integration between our platforms, and more protective measures to protect your inbox daily. I want to extend a heartfelt thanks to the teams at Microsoft and everyone here for your engagement and feedback. Together, we are elevating the standards for email security and further strengthening your users' ability to be the last line of defense against phishing. To join us in this security revolution, I encourage you to visit our website, 𝗦𝗲𝗀𝗏.com, or reach out directly to our team. We're excited for you to start harnessing the power of this spam reporting add-in, so you can keep your organization safe with confidence and ease. Thank you for your time, and enjoy the rest of Microsoft Build. Back to you, Sam.
Thank you for sharing your journey using new Outlook for Windows and demonstrating the seamless experience the spam reporting feature provides, Brandon. We look forward to our continued partnership with you and the rest of the 𝗦𝗲𝗄 team to keep driving innovative solutions. Next up, let's learn more about other major features included in Mailbox 1.14. We listened to your feedback on how event-based activated add-ins that use smart alerts can provide better developer and user experiences for data loss prevention scenarios. With Mailbox 1.14, you can now customize the text of the Don't Send button in the Smart Alerts dialog and even program it to open a task pane. This way, users will be able to address changes they need without leaving the message or appointment they're composing. Additionally, you can override the send mode option of your Smart Alerts add-in at runtime. This comes in handy when you want your add-in to block mail items that don't meet certain requirements from being sent, but still give the users the option to quickly send their mail item when they're shown recommendations to improve it. In addition to implementing Smart Alerts improvements, your add-in can now also call the close async method to discard a message being composed without being prompted to save changes. To further improve the performance of your DLP add-in, additional message members such as InReplyTo, getItemClassAsync, and getConversationIndexAsync are now available for use. By using these over Microsoft Graph calls to get message properties, your add-in avoids making high-latency calls that could affect a user's experience. Finally, the Item Multi-Select feature makes it possible for users to perform various tasks on multiple selected messages in one go. With even more properties being supported for Item Multi-Select in Mailbox 1.14, you can now get the conversation and internet message IDs of selected messages and verify whether the messages have an attachment. And that's everything you can look forward to in Mailbox 1.14. This is a step forward towards using your add-in in the new Outlook for Windows. We can't wait to see what you create with it. We've shared how you can further enhance the capabilities of your add-in. Let's take it a step further and talk about how you can further expand the reach of your solutions by augmenting Teams apps with Outlook add-ins. But first, here's a quick refresher on what Teams apps are and our vision for it. Before Teams apps, you had to create a separate solution for each product you wanted to support, such as Microsoft Teams, Outlook, and Microsoft 365. Each product had their own model for programming, deployment, and end-user discoverability. This created confusion among developers, IT admins, and end users as they ended up with multiple disconnected apps across Microsoft 365. Teams apps provide a model to help you create a single app that expands across multiple products or hubs in a consistent way. For end users, this provides a consistent user experience and better solution discoverability in Microsoft 365. This is possible because users will only need to install the app once from the unified store for use across Microsoft 365 products. For IT admins, this provides a single entry point for the deployment and management of apps in Microsoft 365. And for you, the developers, this provides a common app model to integrate hub-specific experiences and extend your solutions using the JSON-based Unified App Manifest. Moving forward, the team will continue to enrich Teams apps so that your solution can access more than 1 billion app users. It's been a journey. At Build 2022, we introduced the Teams.js SDK version 2. During this first release, Teams apps used the unified app manifest to expand message extensions and personal tabs across Teams and Outlook. At Build 2023, we announced preview of the unified app manifest support for Outlook add-ins. And today, we are super excited to announce the GA of Teams apps with Outlook add-ins. And what better way to learn more about Teams apps with Outlook add-ins than with a demo from one of our esteemed partners? I'm thrilled to be joined in the studio today by none other than Karina Kornacka, Principal Product Marketing Manager at Adobe. We can't wait to see what you have in store for us, Karina. Over to you.
Thanks so much, Sam. Hello, my name is Karina, and I'm the Product Marketing Manager at Adobe, focused on Acrobat integrations with Microsoft. Adobe has many deep integrations with Microsoft that allow users to collaborate and get more done within their flow of work. Today, we're excited to share that we've been working on in respect to our Acrobat integrations with Outlook. Adobe Acrobat is a productivity and collaboration PDF solution. Users can use Acrobat within their favorite Microsoft products, including Microsoft Teams, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneDrive SharePoint. Our first Acrobat integration with New Outlook is a web-based add-in that is available for use today. We built this add-in so that users of our COM plugin on Classic Outlook can continue using Acrobat's capabilities on the New Outlook. This web plugin allows users to convert emails to PDF and share documents as links, all within Outlook. Many customers have been asking for the capabilities in New Outlook, and with the latest Acrobat web add-in, they are finally here. Thanks to Microsoft's general availability of extending Teams app platform elements to Outlook add-ins, as Sam shared earlier, we are able to bring the capabilities of our much-loved Acrobat for Microsoft Teams app into Outlook to help us deliver a better experience for our customers. The Outlook add-in includes a single manifest allowing users to view, comment on, fill and sign, as well as edit PDF attachments right within Outlook. Microsoft's M365 Unified Manifest also allows us to combine separate apps into a single offering. We are also excited about Content Actions, a new paradigm that Microsoft is rolling out soon, which will help third-party apps like Acrobat get greater discoverability by exposing entry points to the app front and center within an user's email. Now I will be handing it over to my colleague 𝗦𝗲𝗲𝗸𝗏, who will demonstrate Acrobat's functionality from within New Outlook.
Thank you. As Karina mentioned, my name is 𝗦𝗲𝗲𝗏𝗏, and I'm a product manager at Adobe focused on Acrobat integrations with Microsoft. Today, I'm going to walk through a few quick examples to illustrate common Acrobat use cases within Outlook, featuring John, who works in a client service role at a large organization. The first use case relies on us extending our Teams app to Outlook, something that we are actively working towards. Once that is complete, users like John will be able to see their familiar Acrobat experience in Microsoft Teams, which you see on my screen, inside Outlook as well. For example, John receives an expense form from his finance team as a PDF attachment over email. John needs to complete the form and send it back for approval. With the Acrobat app in Microsoft Teams, when a user gets a form in the chat, they can easily make changes within Teams. And now we are working to bring that same functionality within Outlook. John opens Acrobat directly in Outlook. John looks for the finance form in the list of PDF attachments in the recent files list within Acrobat. John fills out the form and saves it to a location within OneDrive. John then shares the completed form with his finance team for approval. In the next scenario, John needs to send a report to a client for review before sharing with the respective client's leadership for sign-off. John drafts his email copy and attaches the report to the email. However, John realizes that this is a large PDF document, and then he'll have a difficult time addressing the client's questions inline if he includes it as an attachment. So what he can do is that the Acrobat web add-in prompts John to use Acrobat to convert the PDF to a document cloud link that can easily be shared. John selects yes, and the PDF is easily converted to a link and will be automatically included in the body of the email. John can now send the email to the client. When the client receives the email, they can click on the link and the document will open in Acrobat Web. the client can easily add comments without needing to sign into an Adobe account. John will be able to see the client's comments in real time and can address those inline, creating an easy-to-track thread and saving time in the review process.
To facilitate link email inclusion, we are leveraging events, in this instance a launch event, which is triggered when a user attaches a PDF file to an email. We detect and launch a message which shows up over the email, prompting the user to share the attachment as a link.
In the next scenario, John needs to archive client emails following company retention protocols. To do this, John uses the Acrobat add-in to convert an email to PDF. John then directly saves the converted PDF to his OneDrive. John can then also easily choose to append the email to an existing PDF that's saved on his computer or within OneDrive in case he wants all emails he saves be in just one PDF. This is done by John clicking on Append Email to PDF and selecting the PDF from either his OneDrive or desktop, and then saving the appended PDF to the location of his choice.
Thank you, 𝗦𝗲𝗻𝗲. For more information on Acrobat within Outlook and our other integrations with Microsoft, please make sure to check out our linked resources. Now back to you, Sam.
Thank you very much, Karina and the entire Adobe team. We value our partnership with you and look forward to continuing building solutions together. The demo perfectly summarizes the benefits of Teams apps with Outlook add-ins, how Outlook add-ins work together with message extensions, and how developers can take their extensions to the next level. But wait, there's more. We're not stopping the transformation of Teams apps there. There are two specific areas we want you to be aware of as we continue to invest in developing this model. First, we're expanding the unified app manifest so that you can use Copilot plugins with Teams apps across Microsoft 365. This investment on the build once, work across Copilot surfaces model will soon make its way to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and in Outlook soon after that. We're also integrating Word, Excel, and PowerPoint into Teams apps so that you can also enjoy the benefits of using a single unified app manifest in these products. And with that, we invite you to get started with Teams apps with Outlook add-ins today. Here are a few resources to help you with your learning and development journey. Switching gears, we heard your feedback on both the benefits and challenges you experienced when implementing single sign-on, or SSO, with Entra ID tokens in your Outlook add-ins. We're excited to share that we've taken the best parts of the SSO solution you know and resolved the issues that kept some developers from adopting SSO in the past. Introducing Nested App Authentication, or NAA for short. With NAA, you can enjoy a simpler and improved development experience. Your add-in will no longer require token exchanges, meaning lower latency for your users and simpler development for you. Additionally, with this improved solution, you can support SSO across all Outlook platforms and in even more scenarios, such as event-based activated add-ins. NAA also simplifies the way users authenticate for a better and improved experience. It provides built-in incremental user consent flows that follow standardized authentication patterns used across Microsoft apps. This way, users become familiar with the authentication process and learn to be more cautious when logging into systems. NAA is also supported on all platforms, including mobile, for a more secure environment. Finally, NAA also provides a safer experience for administrators. With NAA, administrators can be assured their organization is getting top-tier identity protection through Entra ID policies. We're thrilled to announce that NAA is now available in public preview so that you can start experimenting and planning a simpler authentication solution for your add-in today. In October 2024, Legacy Exchange user identity and callback tokens will be turned off by default in all Exchange Online tenants. In the lead up to this change, we encourage you to check whether your add-ins use these Legacy Exchange tokens, create proof of concept that uses NAA, and plan out how you'll update your add-ins that use legacy tokens. Now that NAA is in preview, we invite you to start testing it today in supported versions of Outlook on Windows, on Mac, and on the web. To test NAA in your add-in, you must be a member of the Microsoft 365 Insider program and select the beta channel in your Outlook client. If you want to see NAA in action right away before creating your own add-in, check out the Office Add-ins NAA sample for Outlook at aka.ms/NAA sample Outlook. To supplement your learning journey, here are a few documentation resources on NAA, including a blog post and an FAQ. If you experience any issues or have feedback on your development experience, please open an issue on the Office.js GitHub repository and add NAA to the title. Our team will be happy to hear from you. With all these exciting announcements, are you ready to create solutions for your Outlook scenarios? From documentation to code samples, here are some resources to get you started on your add-in development journey. We hope you're as excited as we are about how the Outlook add-in space is transforming. Whether it be creating even more solutions for new Outlook on Windows, expanding your add-ins reach beyond Outlook through Teams apps, or simplifying your add-ins authentication process, we can't wait to see the creativity you'll bring to Outlook extensibility. Thank you for joining us today, and happy coding!